Hello everyone, you're welcome to FRANKA'S kitchen. So today you're gonna unbox my ring light. Thanks. So for some time I stopped cooking because I discovered I was struggling with the light. So this came in today. I actually ordered it on the 12th or the 3rd of July, and today is 20th. So although they wrote that I will get it by August, but I think it's early arrival. So we're just gonna cut it open. Okay. This is actually shocking, or maybe they wanted to see what's inside, but they actually punctured here to know what's inside. Is it for security purpose or what? Yeah, that's what I saw as I opened it. You see, they actually made an attempt to open it all. They did. So we're gonna start with the unpacking. I think we messed up with this wherever it came from, because the whole thing was, you can imagine. Here is the ring light. Don't know if you can see it. So in here, the tripod stand, and yeah, it's heavy compared to the one I had before. Yeah. Okay. Oi. Okay, you're supposed to press it with that. Yeah. Well, good. Yeah. So let's see how big. Yes. Oh, it's quite long. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And it's stable. It's very stable. So I think I'll lower it a little bit so that we can fix the lights. Yeah. This is the reason why I said it's 2-in-1. But I was looking for something where I could use my tablet to also film, not just my phone. And I'm not in the mood of buying camera right now, so you could adjust it anywhere. The bad thing with this is that it did not come with any manual, although everything is quite practical, but there is no manual to go with. See? So what I'm going to do, are you seeing it? So I fixed the attachment for the tablet. We're gonna, so you can add it here and film. Are you seeing it? This is the reason why I bought it. To turn 360, like any corner you want to put it. Just same like the other one, but I can make it 2-in-1 and use it not just my phone, or because I'm not ready to buy camera right now, but not just my phone, but also my tablets, you know. So we're gonna, I don't think yeah, very practical. I think that's why they don't miss it and fix it. Let's see. There's nothing. There's the ring light. For now, I don't need any expensive thing. So here and here I can put my phone. You see it? So let's first of all add this one. See? Let me shift its eye so that you can see what I'm saying. Are you seeing it? I can put my phone here and bend it to film. What I noticed that it did not come with the plug, so I'm going to be using mine. So we're going to try it now. I'm using my own plug, my own socket, because nothing followed this one over. You know, that's one of the reasons why it's also good to buy from shops. Then you can go and complain. But this one, I can't go anywhere to complain anything. So I'm going to plug it. First of all, yeah, so I think here, I don't know if you can see, this one is to increase it, this one is to lower it, and this one, I think, yeah, we're going to find out, but I know that one is increased, then this one is to put it off. This is to put it off. Oh, it's even bending. Let's just go straight to it. So we're gonna close and see. I can't see again. Okay, now I see. So this one is to put it on, and we're gonna see how bright it goes. I'm not doing the right thing here. Oh, that's a change of lights. Okay. And if you want to dim it, you dim it. Let's close our window totally. If you want to dim it, then if you want to increase it, yeah, this is going to give my pot some shine. Although it's not as bright as I wanted, but because of the tablet stand, because even if you buy a normal one, it's not as strong as what we have here to hold it. Yeah, so I think my kitchen is going to have some bright, see, it has 3 shades. Yeah, the one like fluorescent, the one like a normal bulb, and the one like outside light. This one is approximately like the light outside. And if you want to increase the light outside, this is it. I think it's brighter. Yeah. If you want to go with sunlight. So I'm okay because I was kind of frustrated cooking without light. You go and see other people's food
bright and channel very bright.
I'll cook and I'll be so upset that my own is not bright. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. No? Yeah. This one's like normal light. This one is fluorescent light. This one, I think it's like daylight. Yeah, like the normal bulb that you have in your house. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Although I did not know the light is not this big. There are some that I made the wrong choice because I noticed when I wanted to buy, there were different sizes. When I saw this one at first at Wish, there were different sizes. But when I bought it from Amazon, I did not have the option of different sizes. But this one is better than nothing. So yeah, your sister has gotten a Ringlight. Yeah, and a very steady. The legs are so steady. I don't know if you can see it, but they are so steady. Even if a child comes to push it, it will be where it is. So I'm okay with this. So thanks a lot for joining me. There is the one for the light, for the phone, and here for the tripod. So thanks a lot. Hope to see you when I record something because I've not had the desire to cook for a long time now again. So thank you today for joining me. Bye.